Somebody, somebody else, somebody, somebody else, somebody, somebody else.
One more time, go.
Somebody, somebody else,
Yeah.
somebody, somebody else,
All right.
somebody, somebody else.
All right. Have you ever seen a guy with nice stuff? I mean, Encino man, real iced up, and he hold his head high, knowing inside his soul is just crying cause his life sucks. I mean, his friends are as fake as a facelift, or an alien out of space in a spaceship, and it's all in his face, so he gotta face it, cause if he don't, then his life feels wasted. So he's thinking, if he could be
just somebody else,
somebody else, then maybe he could be himself.
if he could be just somebody else,
somebody else. Instead of trying to be
somebody else,
somebody else,
somebody else, somebody else.
Look, maybe you should be yourself instead of trying to be
somebody else, somebody else,
Somebody else.
somebody else.
Fellas, have you seen a girl who looks like she got it all together? Together now, she got it. Even in the winter, she's hiding. She could probably get whoever she wanted. But the problem is she's got a low self-esteem because of the past that she chose as a teen. She was taught chase after a stone on a ring, so she thought she needed a man to grow as a queen. Please, if she
Could be just somebody else,
somebody else, then maybe she could be herself.
if she could be just somebody else,
Somebody else. Yeah. Instead of trying to be
somebody else,
Somebody else.
somebody else, somebody else.
look, maybe you should be yourself instead of trying to be
Somebody else,
Somebody else.
somebody else,
Somebody else.
somebody else.
Nice.
It's
Thank you very much.
time to smile today. Sing that.
All right.
Look, I know something, you know something, they were never told. Say, can anyone
smile today?
say, can anyone?
Smile today?
I know something, you know something, they were never told. Say,
Can anybody smile today?
say,
Can anybody smile
look,
today?
I can see a bright light miles away. Can anyone
smile today?
knowing there's hope for a brighter day? Say, can anyone
smile today?
say, can anyone
smile today?
say,
Can anyone smile today?
or is it,
Or is it just too late?
All right, look. Show us how to make it if we in America, but if we live in Canada, then how we make it here? Yeah, you get a manager, fill up your calendar in front of cameras. This is how we feel here. If you aren't good at art, then you gotta get a blue collar. If you gonna make a living, given the government system, cause nobody would listen to what you've written. Listen here, yeah, I can see a bright light miles away. Can anyone
smile today?
knowing there's hope for a brighter day? Say,
Can anyone smile today?
say,
Can anyone smile today?
say,
Can anyone smile today?
or is it,
just too late?
Look. If you never knew me, nice to know you. This is the new me, forget that old dude. Still sick when I spit like cold flu, but I pull my own strings and got my own groove. It's an awakening for those who want snooze. I got the gas on E, but I'm gon' cruise. I got my own 2 feet in my own shoes. See, so I'm gon' do me, that's what I'm gon' do. I can see a bright light miles away. Can anyone
smile today?
knowing there's hope for a brighter day? Say,
Can anyone smile today?
say.
Can anyone smile today?
Say.
Can anyone smile today?
Or is it
just too late?
late? Thank you.
Wonder what you're doing now. Wonder what you're wearing. Wonder if you're going out with a flower in your hair. And wonder if you got that smile matched with that awkward style. Oh, those skinny legs make me lose my head. Ooh, make me lose my head. Wonder if he treats you nice. Wonder if he's caring. Wonder what you're doing tonight, or if he compares it. Does he do that thing to you, make your voice jump a key or two? Oh, those skinny legs make me lose my head. Ooh, nobody compares to you, baby. How can they compare? Nobody compares to you, baby. How could they compare? Wonder what you're doing now. It's been like a decade. Wonder if you're married now or still a single lady. Wonder if I call you up. If it's empty, I'll fill your cup with all my love. Those pretty legs make me lose my head. Ooh, nobody compares to you, baby. How could they compare? How could they compare? Nobody compares to you, baby. Nobody compares. Wonder what you're doing now. It's been like a decade. Wonder if you're married now or still a single lady. Wonder if I call you up. If it's empty, I'll fill your cup with all my love. Those pretty legs make me lose my head. Ooh, I love those skinny legs. Ooh, they make me lose my head. Ooh, those pretty legs.